Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Yesterday, in the last video, what we discussed about our lesson name is about me. About me. This is our topic name, children. All of you understand? Yes. In that, what we discussed in the last video, bring your companion books. Everyone, bring. I will wait for you. Bring it. And in that, in the last video, I gave you the homework. What it is? Yes. In companion, do page number 1. All of you finished? Yes. Very good. Next, turn the page. Page number 2. Page number 2. In that, what we discussed in the last class? Yes, I will tell you. Here, in the page number 2, first one. Do you take care of yourself? Do you take care of yourself? Yes. In which way you are taking care of yourself? You have to write 3 lines. Okay? So already I explained you this one. By pasting the picture, you have to paste the picture related to this one. What it is? By taking bath, cutting nails, and what you will do? And you are maintaining personal hygiene. Yes? Very good. Next. The second one is list 3 things that you can do to stay healthy. That you can do to stay healthy. See, children, here in this, what is the picture I pasted? Stay healthy, brushing teeth. Yes, this one is related to your lesson topic only. Here in the book, studio book, here there are hints also how to stay healthy, stay fit, stay energized. Yes, children, all of you understand? So, like that only. So here, what you are doing to stay healthy? What you are doing? Brushing teeth twice a day, and also maintain your personal hygiene. Means not only your personal hygiene and the surroundings. Surroundings also you have to keep clean and germ free. Keep clean and germ free. Understand, children? That is about the second one. And next, coming to the third one. Turn the page number 3. In the page number 3, what is there? What is the question? List 3 things that you can do to stay energized. What you are doing to stay energized? I will explain you. The third one. List 3 things. List 3 things that you can do to stay energized. So tell me, children, what you have to do to stay energized. I told you in the last classes, you have to take what type of food? What type of food you have to take? Tell me, children. Healthy diet. Healthy diet. Healthy diet is nothing but a balanced diet or a nutritious diet. What it is? Nutritious diet. Yes, in your diet you have have to include everything. That means dairy products and also pulses, grains, leafy vegetables and fresh vegetables, fruits. Everything you have to include in your diet. Include in your diet. Here I pasted some pictures which are related to healthy diet. Which are related to healthy diet. See children, in the first picture, one girl is taking her nutritious diet. Yes, what are those nutritious diet? Here I pasted some more pictures related to this one. See, here milk, a dairy product. Yes children, milk is a dairy product. Very good. Yes, eggs, which gives you protein. Eggs, meat, leafy vegetables. Yes, spinach. This is a spinach, a leafy vegetables, and you have to include fruits in your diet. All these things we can call it as nutritious diet or a balanced diet. So if you want to stay energized, this type of nutritious food only you have to take. Yes children? Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Yes. You have to take a nutritious diet. Here I am giving you some examples related to this one. What type of nutritious diet you have to take? By eating fruits and vegetables, and also by drinking milk, by drinking milk. So these two are examples only. Don't copy it as it is. Don't copy it as it is. What type of diet you are taking to stay healthy, that only you have to write. For suppose you are eating leafy vegetables, then you can write by eating leafy vegetables. Or if you are eating proteins food like meat, fish, etc., you can write those things only. These are my ideas I am giving to you, but don't copy it. Write it in your own words. Understand children? Very good. Yes. Next to the fourth one, what is there? Name 3 activities that you can do stay fit. So next one is to stay fit, what you are doing, you have to write. I will explain you the fourth one. Yes. What is that one? Name 3 activities. Name 3 activities that you can do stay fit. Stay fit. What are the 3 activities you are doing to stay fit? Give the examples. So what you are doing? Yes, the first one is get above 8 hours of sleep every night. So every day how many hours you have to sleep? First one, get about 8 hours, 8 hours of sleep every day. So how many hours you are sleeping every day? That number you have to write here, and here I pasted the pictures related to sleep. Here one girl is sleeping on the bed, and the second one is when they woke up. So like this you have to paste the pictures related to that one, what you are writing here. And here the second one is to stay fit, one girl is cycling. What she is doing? Cycling. As this is another example by cycling. Cycling. Yes, here this is the example. I pasted the picture related to the girl. What she is doing? Yes, she is cycling. Like that you can write by doing exercises or by doing yoga. So these are also the examples of to stay fit. What you are doing to stay fit, that only you have to write down. That you have to write down. Understand, children? Yes. That is the fourth question. That is the fourth one. Next, we will go to the next one. That is the fifth one. Next, turn the page. Page number 4. Page number 4. Page number 4. What is there, children? The fifth one. What would you do if you fall sick? What would you do if you fall sick? The fifth one is what would you do? What would you do if you fall sick? If you fall sick. Tell me, when you are suffering with fever, what you will do at home? When you are not feeling well, what you will do? Yes, here in page number 5, here I pasted a picture which is related to this one. A boy is taking rest when he is not feeling well. When he is not feeling well, he is taking rest. Here he is taking rest when he is not feeling well. Like that you can paste the pictures or you can draw the pictures related to that one. Yes, I am writing here example as by taking rest. And the second one is taking rest is enough when you are not feeling well. What you have to do? 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 Yes, taking rest. What you have to do? Taking rest, and also you have to take the medicine. You have to take the medicine. Yes, you have to take the medicine. You have to take the medicine. Yes, when you are not feeling well, you have to take medicine also by taking medicine. By taking medicine also. Yes, children, all of you understand this one? Next, what is the sixth one? What is the sixth one? Name 3 good habits you can follow every day. Every day, what are the 3 good habits you are following? Tell me, children. All of you are a good boy or good girls. I know that you are very, very good children. So, what are the 3 good habits you are following every day? Tell me. I will write the question. Think what you are doing, the good things every day. Tell me. Name 3 good habits you can follow every day. So, what you are doing? I will give you some examples. Yes, here I pasted the picture related to the 5th one. Here the girl she is doing the homework. Yes? Yes. So, doing homework regularly is a good habit? Yes. If you are not doing homework, you will become a bad boy or girl. So, every day you have to do the homework. So, here I am writing doing homework regularly. Doing homework regularly. So, studies are more important. What is the work for you children now? Any task is there for you other than studies? Yes, your main task is to study well. So, every day you have to do the homework or not? You have to do the homework regularly. Yes, and also here I pasted another picture which is related to good habit, being dressed neatly. See the children how they are? How are they? Yes, they are neatly dressed. So you have to being dressed neatly. Being dressed neatly. And tell me another one, another good habit. Tell me children what you are following every day. Yes, doing homework regularly and also being dressed neatly. Are you eating on your own? Your mother is feeding, right? No, you can eat on your own. Now you came to 2nd standard. So, you grown up. So, eat your food on your own. That is also a good habit. So, respecting elders, it is also a good habit. Like that, so many good habits are there. What you are following, list here. Okay? All of you understand children up to here? Yes, very good. Next, we will go back to our studio book. Yes, children, this is about our project. This is about our project here. In this project book, you have to do it when you are free. There is no hurry to do it. Take your own time, but you have to do it neatly. Yes, you have to do it neatly. You have to submit me when you are free. Okay? That is about our project. After that, we will go back to our studio. This is about our companion. All of you understand, children? Yes. Now bring your companion books. No, companion. Studio. Bring your studio books, children. Yes. Where we are? Page number 15 finished. Our companion and also the project here. 1A, 1B also finished. Now what you have to do? Turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 16. Page number 16. Here, what is there? Complete the concept map. Complete the concept map. You have to finish this map. I will explain you how to do it. I will explain you how to do it. You have to finish it. Yes, children. Here, what is there? I am special. I am unique. I told you each and every person is a special person and unique. No two people are similar. Yes, children? No two people are similar. So, each and every person is special and unique. Each and every person is special and unique. So, here the concept map is there. So, first one, what is the first one? What is the first one? I have a beautiful name. I have a beautiful name. In that box, what you have to write? I have a beautiful name. In that box, you have to write your name. Yes, children? All of you understand? So, here write your name. In this box, you have to write your name. I will tell you how to write. So, here small box is there now. I have a beautiful name. I will tell you in that first box. So many boxes are there now. We can draw it with small. Okay. I have a beautiful name. So tell me your name and write down here. Write down your name. Next one. I am talented. I am talented. So each and every person is a talented person. So what are your specialities? I am good at. Here you have to write. I am good at. I will explain you. In the second box, what is there? I am talented. Talented. Yes, children. So here in this box, here what are the talents you have? You have to write. I am good at. Good at. Example I am giving you. Singing. I am good at singing. Or you can write, I am good at dancing. And also you can write, I am good at studies. I am good at studies. What are the talents you have? You have to write here in these two lines. Understand, children? Okay. What is the next one? I take care of myself. I take care of myself. So here the lines are there. Here what you have to write? I take care of myself by following healthy habits. Like, what are the healthy habits you have to write? I will explain you. What are those healthy habits you have to tell me? Yes. If you want to stay fit, what you are doing? I take care of myself, and healthy habits I am writing here. Example, healthy habits like doing exercise, 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 and eating healthy food, eating healthy or nutritious food, nutritious food, nutritious food, nutritious food, and what are the another one? What you are following? What is the another one you are doing? And eating, drinking milk, drinking milk, and what you are doing still? Here there are some examples also. There are some examples. Yes. If you want to stay energized, stay fit, stay healthy, what you are doing? Maintaining personal hygiene. Maintaining personal hygiene. Yes. Write down maintaining personal hygiene. Maintaining personal hygiene. Maintain personal hygiene also a good habit. Yes, that is about good habits. So what you are doing, that one only you have to write down. After that, what is there? After that, what is there? I have my own likes and dislikes. Yes, each and every person is unique and special and different. So what you have to do? What you have to do? So tell me your likes and dislikes. I like playing football, or I like singing. Like that you can write your dislikes also. Tell me what are the dislikes. So tell me your dislikes. What are your dislikes? I dislike the smell of egg. Like that you can write. Like that you can write. I dislike. This is your map. What map? Here complete the concept map. That means about yourself. Okay? All of you understand up to here? Children, I will give you the homework now. I will tell you the homework, what it is. Here you have to finish it and send it to me. Okay? Do the homework. Page number 16. Okay. Page number 16. Okay. Do it and send it to me. Okay, children. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video.